Hello and welcome guys. Today we'll see or overlook on the cell organelles which are included in the cell chapter, right? For ninth. So today we'll see the basic functions of these organelles. Alright. So let's start. There are many cell organelles, but we are selecting few which are important for ninth and 10th. Then we will study for the NEET standard for 11th and 12th. So first is whenever we're talking about the cell, the first component is come that cell wall. Cell wall is outermost layer of any cell except animals because they do not have any type of cell wall, right? So what is the function of cell wall? It protects the cell from the external damage as well as it gives proper shape to the cell and it allows the entry and exit of molecules like water molecule or any other molecules. This is the main basic function of the cell wall. Next, nucleus. Nucleus is double membrane structure. We call it the brain of cell. Nucleus is brain of cell. Why we call it brain of cell? Because it regulates all the activity which are going to happen in the cell, right? And why we call it brain and why nucleus is responsible for character expression, like protein expression in next generation. Because nucleus contains DNA, that is genetic material. So genetic material or DNA is responsible to transfer the characters from one generation to another generation. Alright. So nucleus is brain of cell. Next is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the liquid which are present in cell. Without cytoplasm, it is not possible to perform any activity by any organisms. That's why cytoplasm provide a platform to perform the metabolic activity and their activity itself. Alright. So cytoplasm is plays important role in providing the different type of enzymes. Like they have hydrolytic, proteolytic enzymes. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum plays important role in synthesis of proteins and lipids. There are two more types of endoplasmic reticulum, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Alright, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Why we call it smooth? Because on the endoplasmic reticulum there is no attachment or nothing is present on the endoplasmic reticulum. That's why we call it smooth. And second is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Why do we call it rough endoplasmic reticulum? Because there are ribosomes are attached on the endoplasmic reticulum. That's why we call it rough endoplasmic. So RER and SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, are the two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Another is mitochondria. Mitochondria we call it powerhouse of cell. Why we call it powerhouse of cell? We'll see in the respiration. And we are running the series of respiration like glycolysis we completed in previous lecture, and in next lecture we are going to see decarboxylation of pyruvic acid as well as Krebs cycle. Alright. So mitochondria they produces ATP. Mitochondria is the organelle in animals who has their own DNA and ribosomes. What is the use of that ribosomes and DNA? We'll see whenever we are going to see each and every organelle in detail. Next is lysosome. Lysosome we call it suicidal bag. Why we call them suicidal bag, or what is the mechanism or what is the purpose behind that we are calling suicidal bag? We'll see in detail. Plastid lysosome present in the animal cell, absent in the plant cell, and plastid is present in only plant cell, not in the animal cells. So what is the function of plastid? As we know, plant is autotrophic and we are heterotrophic. So for behind that autotrophic, plastids play important role to make the food for the plants. Again, plastids are divided into the three types: chromoplast, leucoplast, and chloroplast. What is the function and what is this cell? We'll see in detail. Don't worry. Next is Golgi apparatus. They also help in packaging and delivering the materials or food material. We can say this is the structure which are connected with the cell membrane. We'll see the Golgi apparatus as well. Next is vacuole. See, there are two types of vacuoles only, but for 8th and 9th standard, we'll see only the vacuole. Vacuole is the food storage for any cell. Okay, but it also plays important role to maintain the osmotic condition of cell. That is we call contractile vacuole. Peroxisome, these are the microbodies which help in the beta oxidation of unsaturated fatty acid. What is this mean beta oxidation? What is mean saturated, unsaturated fatty acids? We'll see in detail one by one. So in next lecture we'll see cell wall, nucleus and cytoplasm in one lecture. Then in next lecture we'll see these four, and in third lecture we'll finish all the cell organelles. All right. If you don't understand, watch it again and get ready for the next video. Till that time, subscribe to the channel, like the video and share. Thank you very much.
Hare.